In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find toxic links in Semrush. Understanding and managing your backlinks is essential for maintaining a healthy website. Toxic backlinks can harm your site's credibility and ranking in search engine results, so it's crucial to monitor and address them promptly. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage Semrush to identify these pesky toxic links effectively. First, open your preferred browser and simply search for Semrush. It's a powerful tool that's widely used by SEO professionals to monitor and enhance their website's performance. Once you've landed on the Semrush homepage, you'll need to log into your existing account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a straightforward process to get started. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create an account. Once you're logged in, you will want to navigate to the Backlink Audit tool. This is a key feature of Semrush designed specifically for analyzing your website's backlinks comprehensively. Go ahead and create a new project for your website. This will allow the tool to gather all necessary data and provide you with a clear picture of your site's backlink profile. Once the project is set up, the tool will automatically start analyzing your website's backlinks. It does a thorough job by categorizing them based on their toxicity score. This score is critical as it gives you an indication of which links could potentially be harmful to your site. The tool's report will then present you with a comprehensive list, showcasing each backlink with its associated toxicity score, along with potential toxic markers. With this list in front of you, using filters can help you narrow down the links, focusing particularly on those flagged as potentially toxic. For example, you can filter backlinks with a toxicity score ranging from 60 to 100. These are the links you should be most concerned about, as they represent the highest risk to your site's reputation. Once you've filtered the list, hover over the toxicity score of a specific backlink to see which toxic markers have been flagged. This gives you more insights into why a particular link is considered toxic. Based on your evaluations, you have several actions available. You can choose to whitelist a link that you deem safe, remove harmful links if possible, or disavow them entirely through tools like Google's Disavow tool to prevent them from negatively impacting your site. Finally, it's vital to rerun the backlink audit regularly. This practice keeps you ahead of any new potentially toxic links that may appear, ensuring that your backlink profile remains healthy and optimized. By following these steps, you will be better equipped to manage your backlinks and protect your website's credibility.